Snowflakes dancing gently as they fall. Stockings hung by the fire on the wall. Joy to every heart, big or small. Sleigh bells ringing with a joyful sound. Children laughing all around town. Warm cocoa sipped, not a single frown. Magic in the air where love is found. It's Christmas time, let's celebrate. Hearts so full we just can't wait. Gifts and laughter bonds create. Moments golden, memories great. Friends and family gather near and dear. Whispers of hope fill the atmosphere. Carols sung with voices loud and clear. Wishing all a season of cheer. Candy cane, wishes and gingerbread dreams. Under the mistletoe, love redeems. Every corner with lighted gleams. This is what Christmas truly means. It's Christmas time, let's celebrate. Hearts so full we just can't wait. Gifts and laughter bonds create. Moments golden, memories great. In a room of thread and glue, crafting dreams are made for you. Every stitch and painted hue tells a secret love so true. Paper hearts and folded cranes, scissors cutting through the pain. In these hands our memory remains. Art in love with every gain. Crafted love in every fold. In the colors we behold. Glitter magic never old. Our story in the glue we hold. Stamps and ink, we make a mark. Crafting love that sparks the dark. Together stoking passion spark. In every crafted